how to. The object of the game is to be the first person to win. Score up to 12 to 16 points.
So the very first things first is separate it into teams. If you can. If you can't, just 1 and 1 is fine too. Next, you pick the color of the balls that you really want to play with.
The team going first tosses the Polino ball, then throws their first bocce ball towards it. The other team then throws their first bocce ball. After each team has thrown their first bocce, hitting the Polino or other bocce ball is allowed, and players receive no penalty or bonus for doing so. Once all 8 bocce balls have been thrown, the team with the closest bocce to the Polino wins the frame. Only one team scores each frame. 1 point is scored for each bocce ball that is closer to the Polino than the opponent's closest bocce ball. A measuring tape can be used to determine which balls are closer. For example, Team 1 has 2 bocce balls closer to the Polino than Team 2's first closest bocce ball. Team 1 scores 2 points while Team 2 scores 0. The score is tallied and the frame is complete.
Guys, thanks for watching you guys how to play bocce ball. So that's how you guys do it. So make sure you guys give it the thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do in the next game rules. So goodbye.